One of the newest features in Clip Studio Paint version 4.0 is the ability to snap objects for precise alignment. Here's how to use it. Go to View, Snap, Snap to Objects. Also check Show Guides when snapping. When transforming objects, they will snap to other objects, ensuring perfect alignment. To move freely, hold Ctrl to temporarily disable snapping. Snapping doesn't work on raster layers. Convert your artwork to a vector layer or image material. Text layers also support snapping. You can also snap to control points in vector layers. Additionally, you can snap to grids and special rulers for perfect perspective and texture alignment. That's it. If you want to try Clip Studio Paint, check the links in description. Huge thanks to my Patreon members. You keep this ball rolling. See you in the next one.